Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Teacher Bani. Today we will learn how to make coleslaw. Do you like coleslaw? I do like coleslaw so much. Today I want to teach all of you how to make coleslaw. Let's start. The ingredients: cabbage, carrot and mayo. First, we cut cabbage and carrot to small pieces. After cabbage, we cut the carrot to small pieces. Next, we put in a bowl. Okay, done. This is cabbage, carrot and mayo. Next, we put carrot and mix with cabbage. After that, we put mayo and mix it together. Done. Now you can eat. Keep them in a fridge. Let it cool before we enjoy them. And that's how you make coleslaw. That's all for today. Assalamualaikum. Thank you everyone.